Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you very popular Cantonese dish and a great appetizer, boiled shrimp with ginger and garlic sauce. Shrimp in Chinese, 虾. Let me show you the ingredients. I have just over half-pound shrimp. They are 50-60. And we have minced ginger, minced garlic, chopped green onions, and also have sliced ginger and white part of green onions. And we need seafood flavored soy sauce. If you don't have it, you can use light soy sauce. And I already cleaned most of the shrimp. I just left two to show you guys. Let me show you. So just cut the antenna and then devein it. So traditionally, the shrimp is not deveined, believe it or not, but I'm doing this to make it simpler or easier for you guys. Pour the vein. There's one more. So here's the antenna, pinkish color. And we just devein it right under the head. I think it's either the knife or safer. But we leave the shell on, leave the head on. Now we're ready to cook. First, I'm heating up the water. We just add our ginger slices and green onion slices, the white part, and bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. Let's add the shrimp. Cook about 2 to 3 minutes. Almost 2 minutes. I just need to skim the top. Our shrimps are ready. I'm going to drain it. And next we're going to make the sauce. First we're going to infuse the ginger and the garlic. Just add 1 tablespoon. This is canola oil. You can use vegetable oil. Then we add minced ginger, about 1 tablespoon. I normally don't measure, but I measured for you guys. A tablespoon minced garlic. So turn the heat to medium-low. Let them infuse about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're ready to make the sauce. Wow, smells so good. Ginger, garlic, infused in oil. Now we add 3 tablespoons seafood flavored soy sauce. As I said, if you don't have it, you can just use light soy sauce. Mix it. And we just garnish with green onions. That's our ginger garlic sauce. Let's have a close-up of our shrimp. Looks amazing, right? Wow, the sauce smells so good. ginger and garlic sauce. Are you ready to try, Mr. Cameraman?
Yes.
I know you love the sauce, right? Get some for you. Give you some sauce on the side. Let me have some. Let's try it. Ready?
Ready.
Go. Wow. See who's faster. It's easy peel, right?
Yeah.
Sauce. Cheers.
Delicious. Cheers.
Sauce is so good.
Wow.
Gingery, garlicky, right?
On anything.
I know. Mr. Cameraman even used the sauce for chicken.
That's great.
Although this sauce works better for seafood, right?
Delicious.
Ready for the second one? Is this our last video of the year?
Up to you.
It's up to our fans, up to our viewers. Can we get a break? Can we take a next week off, guys? With your permission? Let's see, right? If maybe we drop in to say hi next week before the new year. Let's see. If not, you guys are going to forgive us, right? I think we made more videos than ever, right? Than any other year. So delicious. Please leave me a message below. Let me know if you ever had Cantonese shrimp like this, and if you are going to make this. I hope this is just in time for the holidays. It's a great appetizer. Just want to wish everybody happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much for all your support. It's a very tough year and it's an unusual year. Thank you for all your support and love. And you have our love from our kitchen to yours. What are you saying, Mr. Cameraman?
Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Yep.
Be safe.
Yes. Thank you for all your hard work, Mr. Cameraman.
Thank you for yours.
So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.